After electric current leaves a generating plant, it usually passes through a device called a transformer. A transformer can raise or lower the electric force that moves an electric current, the voltage. A transformer will raise the voltage for transmission of power over great distances. That's the most efficient way to send current through long lengths of wire. But then, for home or commercial use, transformers step down the voltage. Most electrical devices we use operate on low voltage. A transformer changes a current's voltage in this way. First, imagine two coils of wire. Each is connected to a different circuit, but both coils are wound around the same core. When a current passes through one coil, it creates a field that magnetizes the other coil. But since both coils share the same core, their fields are concentrated together, and they act like a large single field. As long as a steady current flows, nothing else happens. But suppose we suddenly change the direction of the current in one coil. Now, a pulse of current passes through the second coil and around its circuit. If the current reverses direction again, another pulse travels through the second coil in the opposite way. In alternating current, there is this constant reversal. But why? Because each time the current changes direction, the magnetic fields around both coils collapse and change direction. The motion of this changing magnetic field across the second coil sets electrons in motion in that coil. Again, a relationship between electricity, magnetism, and motion. So a transformer can pass alternating current from one circuit to another. Now, to also make a voltage change, a transformer must be wound so that one coil has more turns than another. If the second coil has more loops, it becomes a step-up transformer. When alternating current is fed into the first coil, the current that emerges from the second one will have a higher voltage. It is transformed. Voltage can be stepped down by using a transformer whose second set of coils has less loops than the first.